Hey guys, Neha this side. Welcome back to my channel Effectivals Classes. In today's video, I am gonna discuss with you the sample answer of a cue card. Describe a quiet place. So let's start with the video. Wait, I advise you to watch the video till end as I'll tell you the meanings of vocabulary, idioms and phrases that I have used in this cue card. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, in these salad days of contemporary era, it has become arduous to find serene spots. However, here I'd like to speak about one place where I frequently go. It is none other than a public library, which is stone's throw away from my home. I just love its extremely tranquil environment as there is always pin drop silence over there. That's why I just love to visit there almost every day during my exams to concentrate on my studies due to placidity. That library has numerous of both fiction and non-fiction books and they are very well catalogued and arranged in a convenient manner. There are 3 librarians and 5 attendants who help to find books and study materials. The library also offers membership facility at a very negligible and affordable cost, and the active members are granted to take books home. People of my hometown consider this library as the best place to get knowledge. Apart from this, that library is so spacious as about 150 individuals can visit there at once without any hustle and bustle. At last, I would say that as soon as I reach that place, I feel myself wrapped in a blanket of silence. The time spent there is quality time as I am disturbed by no one, as well as there is no noise to interrupt my mind. So guys, this was our cue card. Now let's move towards the meanings of words and phrases that I have used in this cue card. First of all, we have salad days. It means younger days, or you can also say that youthful days. The next we have contemporary era. Contemporary means modern. After that I have used arduous. Arduous means difficult. Serene is the synonym of quiet or calm. Guys, try not to repeat words. The different words you use, the more band score you will get in the LR, that is lexical resource, provided that you are using it correctly. Okay, then we have stones throw away. That means near to. On the next we have tranquil. It's again the synonym of quiet. Next we have placidity. Placidity means silence. Numerous means a lot of. Then we have catalogued and arranged. That means they were classified and arranged in a proper manner. Guys, it's a kind of collocation. Always try to group your words for better band score in speaking as well as in writing. If you don't know how it can be done, just comment down in the comment box that you need a tutorial on this. I promise you I will make it as soon as possible. Then we have granted. It means permitted or allowed. After that we have hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle means work or activity. or you can say a large amount of work or activity with noise, right? And there we have used without, right? And then we have blanket of silence. It means complete silence, complete silence. So guys, this was the cue card. I hope you liked it, and if you watched my video for the very first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like and share with your friends.